giraffe and hunter wheel. I'm putting these parts to assemble all of the nose. Now we're done with the nose. Let's go with the ears now. Oh, I got it. This is one of them, and this is the other. Now this is the crocodile giraffe head of Cyborg Crocoful duck. Now we're going to go with the Cyborg Crocoful duck body. These are parts of the head. See? It's the violet and white. Next for the light blue part. Now let's attach the hand again. Let's attach this part to the rolling. Now let's build the head. 1 and 2 parts. This is the part of the head. Ooh. Well, the tail was removed, but I put it back. This is the beak. Next, for the top of the head, this is just like a arm from a unicorn. Now let's make the neck of this. We're still making the head. And let's check how the size is. Now these are one more parts till we attach. See? It's now attaching. The 2 red heads is next. And they have different beaks. The one has the green beak. Let's check if it's the same. Oh no! Now we're going to put the top of the head. It's the 4 heads. Now for one of with the green one and the other one is the black. See, it is 2 of them. Attaching these parts. And let's attach it now. Let's attach the other heads. See? Now the faces are done. Let's do the legs. I'll put them all together. See? So this is how it looks like. The next one is we're going to do the fire duck car. So this is the part and this is the other part of the body. Now let's do the tail. The tail's only one piece. We're doing the body and the tail. See? This is now the body and the tail. Now let's attach the face and the beak. This is the eye that I'm going to use. We're doing the heads and the forehead. Now this is colorful duck, and I still need the hands. So these are the hands now. I'm doing fire duck now. or hands. Now fire duck is completed. Now let's do the wheels. One wheel and another wheel. And let's attach these. These one are for the wheels now. Those are the red ones. Now last one. Now this is the wheels for the fire duck. I'll put this chain to pull the fire duck car. Now I already put in the chain to pull the fire duck car. We have to attach these ones first before we put the wheels. See? We're still